Hi, this is Plant Knowledge from Soul Gardens. The other day, somebody asked me about how do you dry herbs, and I told her the simplest way to do it is simply to gather them up into bunches and hang them to dry. Why do you hang them? Because it's the easiest way that I can think of to do it, and it allows air to get around them, and it doesn't take up much space. You can see I've got my plants hung up on a pegboard. I had a friend put it up for me a few years ago, and I had these long pegboard thingies sticking out that I can just ply my plants along. But if you don't have a pegboard or something like that, you can also use a hanger and hang your herbs off the hanger using a something or other, a paper clip. So how do you make an herb bundle? It's very simple. All you have to do is take a few stems of the herbs, and in this case I have yarrow and tansy and goldenrod, and you just pull them together at one end with a piece of string or elastic. I happen to have a piece of elastic from something that I bought at some point that I saved. And once I have pulled my herbs together, my bunch together, I simply take and hang it wherever I can. I have chosen to hang it, in this case, up on the hanger thingy on my board, and I just let them sit and dry. I make sure that I have a little loop at the top of my string so that I have a loop to hang on, but if not, I can still do it by simply pushing through the bunch of herbs. And sometimes when I just have herbs that have a few branches, I just actually stick them up over the drying piece without even bothering to bunch them. How long it will take them to dry really depends on humidity and temperature and where you're drying them. You can do it in a basement if you have a dehumidifier going, but if your basement is too damp, it might not be a good idea. Attics are great, but then you don't want to leave your herbs up there for a very long time because the heat can kind of sap them of any efficacy. And for me, I have a small apartment that just dry in my kitchen. I'm Iris Weaver, shamanic herbalist and foraging instructor.